example for finding the multiplication of two fractions. So here 3 by 7 multiply 4 by 5. So how we can perform the multiplication? Multiplication means you need to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So here 3 multiply 4, 7 multiply 5. So 3 4s are 12, 7 5s are 30. So this will be answer. For this one 5 multiply 3 by 7. Here 5, it is same as 5 by 1, 3 by 7. So if there is a only whole number, then multiply that whole number with numerator. So 5 3s are 15 by 7. You can convert this into mixed fraction. Now here again 7 multiply 5 divide 3 multiply 2. So 7 5s are 35, 3 2s are 6. You can convert this into mixed fraction or you can leave answer up to. Now next one 5 by 12 multiply 9. It means 5 is multiplied with 9 divided by 12. So here 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. You can cut the common factor. So 5 3s are 15 by this will be your answer. Clear? If there is a common factor between numerator and denominator, then you can cut the common factor. Now next one 5 multiply 3 by 20 multiply 2 by 50. So here this one we can write 5 multiply 3 multiply 2, that are the number in the numerator, and 20 multiply 15 in the denominator. 15 5 3s are and 2 10s are 20. So it is 1 by 10 because there is a no numerator, means it is a 1. So 1 by 10 will be your answer. Now next here you can cut this 5. 2 2s are 4. So answer is 1 by 10. So this way you can find the multiplication of a simple fraction. Now if operation by is given, means here it is written multiply 2 by 9 by 5 by 4 by 5. So here we can write 2 by 9 multiply 4 by 5. If there is a common factor, then you can cut, and if not, then you can directly multiply the numerator. 2 4s are 8, 4 5s are 9 5s are 40. Now next one multiply 3 by 5 by 12. So we can write 3 by 5 multiply 12. So here 12 is multiplied with numerator because denominator of 12 is 1. So here 12 3s are 36 by 5. If it is written in a question that find multiply the following and convert it into mixed fraction, then you need to convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, if not written, then you can leave answer up to this. Now for next 2 1 by 3 by 2 by 1. So here mixed fraction is given, so convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 by 2 by 5. So here you need to write 7 by 3 multiply 2 by 5. 7 2s are 40, 5 3s are 50. So this will be our answer. Now next 5 3 by 4 by 2 3 by 7. So first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper. 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 4 by 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Now multiply 23 by 4 multiply 17 by 7. Now here multiply the numerator. So 23 multiply 17. So we have 391 divided by 20. 7 4s are 20. So this is our answer. Okay. So here next example. 14 by 25 multiply 35 by 51 multiply 34 by 14. So here you can write 14 multiply 55 multiply 34 divide 25 multiply 51 multiply 14. If you know how to cut the common factor directly, then you can cut it directly. Otherwise, you can find the factor of each number. So let's find the factor of each number. 14 can be written as 7 2s are 14. 35 can be written as 7 5s are 35. This is 17 2s are 30. For next, remaining 5 5s are 25. 17 3s are 51 and 7 7s are 49. Now it will be easy to cut the common factor. So here 5 can be cancelled out, 17 is cancelled out, 7 7 cancel. So now we get 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 50. So this will be answer of multiplication of this fraction. Okay. Now next, which one is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. This is the operation of. Of means it is a multiplication. So we can find 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 first. So it is 2 by 7 multiply 3 by 4. Now multiply the numerator. 2 3s are 6, 7 4s are 20. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So that is 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 8. You can cut the common factor. So it is 3 by 8. Now here you need to compare 6 by 28 and 3 by 8. As the comparison, because we need to find which one is greater, means here you need to take the LCM of 28 and 7. Let's take the LCM of 28 and 8. So LCM is 56. So 6 by 28 is multiplied with 2. In the numerator and denominator we have 12 by 56. And 3 by 8 needs to multiply with 7 to get 56. So that is 21 by 56. Now compare 12 by 56 and 21 by 56. Which one is greater? 21 by 56 is greater. It means 3 by 8 is greater, and this is nothing but 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. So 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is greater, that you can write at the last. 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is greater. Now let's learn about the operator of. Operator of means it is a multiplication. So 1 by 2 of 8, we can write it as 1 by 2 of means multiplication. So multiply 8. Here you can cut 4 2s are 8, so answer is 1 by 5 of 20, we can write 1 by 5 multiply 20. Here you can cut 4 5s are, so answer is 2 by 5 of 25, so 2 by 5 multiply 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, so that will be our answer. 5 2s are 10. 2 by 3 of 5 by 7, we can write 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 7. So no common factor between them. So 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21. So this will be our answer. Now next, find 3 by 5 of rupees. Now rupees means what? Convert this into paisa. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. It means 3 by 5 of 100 paisa. You need to find. So 3 by 5 of means multiply 100. 5 20s are 100. Now 20 into 3, that is 60 paisa. So 3 by 5 of 1 rupees is 60 paisa. Now next, 3 by 4 of a year. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we can write 3 by 4 of 12 months. Now of means multiplication. So 3 by 4 multiply 12. You can cut the common factor. 4 3s are 12. So now 3 3s are 9. So 3 by 4 of a year is 9 months. Clear? Now next, 2 by 3 of a day. So in a one day, how many hours? It is 24 hours. So we can write of 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 by 3 of 24 hours. Now of means multiply. So 2 by 3 multiply 24. So we can cut 8 3s are 24. Now 8 2s are 16 hours. So 2 by 3 of a day is 16 hours. Now next 5 by 8 of a kilogram. Now 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we can write 5 by 8 of 1000 gram. So we can write 5 by 8 multiply 1000 because of means multiply. Here you can cut the common factor. 125 8s are 1000. Now 5 into 125 is 625 grams. So 5 by 8 of kilogram is 625 grams. Now next 2 by 3 of an hour. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So we can write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Means we need to find 2 by 3 of 60 minutes. So let's find 2 by 3 of 60 minutes. 2 by 3 of means multiply 60. Now cut the common factor. Now 20 2s are 40 minutes. So 2 by 3 of an hour is 40 minutes. 7 by 25 of a liter. Now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So here we can write 7 by 25 of 1000 ml. Now 7 by 25 multiply 1000. So here you can cut 25 4s are 100. So 25 multiply 40 is 1000. So it is 7 4s are 20, 280 ml. So 7 by 20 of 7 by 25 of liter is 280 ml. Now next, sugar cost is rupees 73 by 4 per kg. Find the cost of 8 1 by 2 kg of sugar. For example, sugar cost is 40 rupees per kg. If the cost of sugar means 1 kg cost is 40 rupees. So what is the cost of 5 kg? 5 multiply 40, so that is 200. Here the cost is given in a fraction, so we multiply fraction with the number of kg we want to buy. So cost per kg is given 73 by 4. Convert this into mixed fraction, improper fraction. 17 4s are 68. 68 plus 3, 71 by 4 per kg. So that is cost of sugar. And weight is given 8 1 by 2. So 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 kg. Now cost of 1 kg is 71 by 4. So we want to find cost of 17 by 2 kg. So total cost we can find by multiplication. 71 by 4 multiply 17 by 2. Here we need to multiply 17 1 by 17. So let's multiply. So it is 1207. You can also convert this into mixed fraction, or you can leave answer into this. So it is 157. So this will be the total cost of sugar. Now let's take one more example. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 2 3 by 4 liters? Okay, so car runs 16 km in 1 liter. So if we take the simple example, in 1 liter if car can cover 20 km, so in 2 liter car can cover 40 km. in 3 liter car can cover 60 kilometers. Means what we are doing? We are multiplying the kilometer with the liter. So here same we need to find here in 1 liter. Car runs 16 kilometer. So here into 3 by 4 liters. How much distance car can cover? It means multiply, cross multiply. So it is 2, 3 by 4 multiply 16. That is the distance. So here first convert this into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 11 by 4 multiply 60. Here you can cut 4 4s are 16. 11 multiply 4 is 44 kilometer. Means if car can cover 16 kilometer in 1 liter, then in 2 3 by 4 liter car can cover 44 kilometer. Here some examples are given for a multiplication of fraction that you need to solve it.